As an SMC trader, have you ever noticed a kind of move like this? I'm sure as an SMC trader you have seen a kind of move like this, where the markets, where you take your entry here, then the markets go a bit downward before you're going to hit your stop loss. I'm sure that many SMC traders have seen this kind of market move before. This is what we call the smart money trap. And the smart money trap is the trap that is created by the institutional investors to deliberately exploit the retail traders. And this here is supposed to be our point of interest. As a smart money trader, you'll be waiting for this change of character to happen. You'll be waiting for this change for the market to create a change of character or a market shift before you take your entry. Then here is your point of interest. And when you take your entry here, the price is expected to continue in bearish movement. You see the market go where you place your stop loss. Your stop loss is supposed to be at the safest high. We call this place the safest high. Here is where your stop loss is supposed to be. So, but sometimes you see the market will reverse back at this and hit your stop loss before it starts going to its direction. This is what we call the smart money concept trap. And how you can avoid this trap is by waiting for this move here to happen before you take your entry position. You can also take your trade here, your entry here, but I don't want to talk about that one. Those ones are for the professional traders. But as for those who are still new, this is how you take your entry. So the price is supposed to go this way. This is how you expect the market to go, right? But this here is the smart money trap. Here is what we call the smart money trap. And the reversal point is always triggered by a supply zone by our left hand side. This reversal zone is always triggered by a supply zone. You cannot a reversal cannot happen if the supply is not triggered. So when the price starts breaking structures, to the upward, it will get to a point that's the supply zone and it will reverse. So what are you expected to do as a smart money trader? You wait for this change of character to happen, right? This change of character to happen before you take your entry position at this point. This is a point of interest. This is a point of interest, the break of structure. So this is a perfect SMC chart is supposed to look like, but we get this kind of move in the market. Any questions to ask, you can drop it in the comment section. I'll be right there.